Hi there, I'm Tomas. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm going to show you how to play Margaritaville by Jimmy Buffett. Here's basically how it goes. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shake of soul. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know it's my own damn fault. Okay, let's do this. Let me show you the chords first, then the strum, and we'll put it all together in the progression and give you something to try it along with. So we'll start with the D chord. 4 chords, by the way. 4 chords. That's it. D. We're going to use a G chord. Now I'm using a 4-finger G. I like the way it moves from the D to the G, but you could use this G too if you want, or this one. So D, go ahead and try this along with me. Just try a D chord, G chord, now to A chord, and I'm using my partial bar A. I bar 2 strings with my first finger, and then I have the 3rd finger covering the 2nd string. You can use any version of A you want. This is a common one, or these 3 fingers. And then finally the D7. That one shows up just on the chorus. So let me show you a basic strum that you can use on this. This is a fairly simple strum. We're just going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and try it with me. Ready? On the D chord. Go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, when you hear me play it, it doesn't quite sound like that because that's kind of stiff. Da, 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 da. I'm doing some things by hitting different parts of the strings to give it more motion. And after we show you the song, I'll show you some of those tips as well. Okay, let's go through the verse and map out where the chords and the words come together. Now, if you're not comfortable with strumming and changing the chords yet, just do a straight down strum like this to play along with me. So either way, either the strum or just straight down to map out where the chords are. So let's do it together. 1, 2, ready, hit a D. Here we go. Now, nibbling on sponge cake, watching the Sunday. All of those tourists covered with going to A. Strumming my 6th string on the front porch swing. Smell those shrimp, they're beginning, going to D. Now D7 now, and to G for the chorus. Now start with G. Wasting a A again into D. Margaritaville to D7. G. Well, for my lost shake of D, and to D7. To G. Some people claim fast change here. There's a woman to blame, but I know the A and then the D, nobody's fault. Okay, and that repeats over and over. Same chord progression for the next verse, and then same chord progression for the next chorus. The one thing to watch out for is when you're going from the verse to the chorus, it does change to a D7 just before going to the chorus. Otherwise, the verse doesn't use a D7, and the chorus uses it every time you're coming around. And then there's this fast change, of course. D, A, D, and then goes to A, and picks up right where it left off, back to D. Okay, I want to show you just a couple of tips about this strum, and this applies to strumming in general. When I strum down, down, up, I'm not hitting all the strings equally all the time. I'm starting out on the low side. I'm not hitting just one string, but the lower strings, and then as I progress, I hit the higher strings. So listen. You're actually hearing low, high, low, high. The other thing I'm doing is I'm hitting softer and harder. Hard, softer, harder, softer, harder. That gives it more motion. So there's not an absolute, you're not going to be able to just figure this out. Experiment with it and you'll feel it over time. As you do, you'll get more control with your strumming and you can control the feel and change it from time to time. A little different on the chorus, a little different on the verse. Those are two things to watch out for. Vary where you hit the strings with the right hand and vary how hard you hit the strings to create motion in your strum. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to give you a link so you can have the chords and the words separate, print them out. I'll put it in the description below this video. Take care. I look forward to seeing you in another video. If you haven't already, be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you'll be a part of our community. And leave me a comment, anything really. I just like to know what you're thinking, good or bad. Thanks again. See you later.